Critical thinking, as we define it at CEE and EDA, is the ability or the tactical or thinking skills which involve strategic thinking, creative thinking, problem solving, decision making, and all these are important and in an innovative organization. And we always talk about innovation and driven organization. Critical thinking is a core competence, which I think should be, and it should remain so. But today, we're talking about the VUCA world. It's different. How do you go beyond critical thinking by having what we call the cognitive readiness skill? And here, as we talk about cognitive readiness, refer to the mental, emotional, and interpersonal preparedness for uncertainty and risk posed by the VUCA world. And this is the challenge. How do we shift our mental model to respond to this change in the marketplace and within our organization? That requires cognitive readiness. And EDA has developed this program called Paragon 7, which we have successfully launched in many organizations in the US. And the Paragon 7 is based on EDA research about as I said, leading the VUCA world, prepare for the future. And it looks at how to develop a leader's cognitive readiness skill so that they can thrive in today's volatile, uncertain, complex, and ambiguous business environment, or even the government sector, especially with today the threat of terrorists, with unknown fear of the unknown in terms of the threat posed by ISIS and other terrorist organizations. How can organizations get their act together in order to be prepared and respond? Not only government, but also organization in terms of their business continuity planning and sustainability to ensure the business will continue in the event of a terrorist threat, terrorist strike. And this is where we need leaders to be able to think differently and to develop this set of cognitive readiness to be ready for the challenge in the VUCA world.